John Robert Thompson III is the assistant coach for the United States men's national basketball team since 2017. He previously served as the head coach of the men's basketball team at Georgetown University. He grew up in Washington, D.C., and was named first-team All-Metro by the Washington Post while playing for Gonzaga College High School in 1984. Thompson was hired on April 20, 2004 to replace Craig Esherick and was fired at the end of the 2017 season. Prior to being hired at Georgetown, Thompson was the head coach for 4 years at his alma mater, Princeton University. Thompson is the son of John Thompson Jr. and a 1988 graduate of Princeton. Thompson immediately introduced a Princeton offense at Georgetown, a style of play that he learned from coach Pete Carroll at Princeton. Thompson's first notable win with the team took place on January 21, 2006, when unranked Georgetown upset No. 1 Duke. This was Georgetown's first win over a No. 1 ranked team in 21 years. Thompson also achieved his 100th win as a head coach a few nights later with an 85-82 win in double overtime at Notre Dame. Thompson's 13-year tenure as head coach is the second longest in Georgetown history, and his 278 wins are also second all-time in school history in both cases, only behind his father. On October 12, 2017, Thompson was named by USA Basketball as the assistant coach of the United States men's national basketball team for all FIBA World Cup qualifiers leading to the 2019 FIBA World Cup. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.